Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we'll learn how to use the verb phrase, would be. Would be is a modal verb phrase used to describe hypothetical, conditional, polite, or uncertain situations. Its meaning depends on the context, including whether it refers to the hypothetical present, past, or future. It often conveys possibility, expectation, guessing, or assumption. Structure. If the furniture were lightweight, moving would be easier. If my phone were new, it wouldn't be slow. If the internet were faster, downloads would be instant. If the vegetables were fresher, meals would be tastier. If my phone were charged, I would be able to call you. Wouldn't this be a peaceful evening if the neighbors were quiet? If your job were easier, would you be happier at work? If we had money, we would be rich. If they had better facilities, this would be a great school. If we had proper tools, it would be easy to complete the task before sunset. Wouldn't this be a better bus stop if it had proper seating? If I had better sleep, would I be less stressed? She would be happy if she got the job. We would not be late if we left earlier. His shirt would be dirty if he didn't wear an apron while cooking. I would not be tired if I slept early. Wouldn't this be a great day out if we invited all our friends? If you thought about cleaning, would the house be this messy? If you had not believed in yourself, this would not be reality now. If you had eaten breakfast, you would be less hungry now. If I had learned English as a child, I would be fluent now. If we had invested in that company 5 years ago, we would be financially secure today. If you had started cooking earlier, the food would be ready by now. If I hadn't started my business 5 years ago, I wouldn't be a millionaire now. If he hadn't taken that risk, he wouldn't be a successful entrepreneur now. If they had understood each other, would their marriage be a compromise? Important note. Adding now just makes the present result more clear, but the meaning stays the same without it. Thanks for watching.